morning everybody, welcome back to another video. And today I'm traveling to Kuala Lumpur, and it's going to take probably about 2 hours and a half flight to get there. It's actually early morning right now, and the Mount Kinabalu is just barely can be seen. There's a haze going on right now. I hope it's not for long. Anyway, yeah, I'm actually traveling to Kuala Lumpur for a business trip kind of thing, a meeting. So yeah, so right now I'm here and I've done my check-in, so let's go inside. Right now, and it's waiting time.
Eh, si Jollence. Siya baru mau posing. Hello, we are with same flight. Blue is a friend here.
Now it's a must for social influencer to do like this. Actually, I go to KL. They go to KL, but from KL they go to Bali. They go to Bali actually. Bali, they go to Bali.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and your arrival will be at KLIA 2.
So I'm actually heading for KL. I'm here in KL, we stay in KL, and they going to Bali. They go to Bali. Goodbye. Look at this toilet. Okay, I'm here. Alright, so I'm here, and this is actually my sister's house, and nobody stay here. It's just empty. So, but luckily we got air conditioner. It's pretty hot, and it's pretty much empty still. There's nothing much here. Let's see the room. Okay, this room big icon as well. On this side, there's another room here. Big icon as well. Toilets. Another room. Okay. Alright, this is a bigger room. You got own toilets, shower, hot shower, which is good. I might need to get some cover for that one. I got a whole lot to clean up after this. Look at that mess. Right, basically this place have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 rooms. So this is the master bedrooms with toilets and showers. And yeah, it's facing to another building. At the moment, there's no TV, no refrigerator. I have to go down and get some, find some food. Maybe at the I saw some mamak restaurant down there, and also probably Chinese restaurant. Okay, let's find out what's available around here. Fish shop. So that's Sarawak Laksa here. Take a laundry. Looks like this is gonna be a long walk. Okay, this is a homemade machine, automated machine. Okay, I found a desa segar Pasaraya. Okay, I tap out a burger.